Alright, so today I'm going to talk to you about how using Google Docs as a collaborative device. So I actually shared this document with my dad, and he helped me out by commenting and adding a little bit of things. So I just kept the comments on here so that you guys could see what changes I made to the document and that kind of stuff. So my dad put technology, or I had just titled it technology, and my dad said it'd be cool if I titled this document technology wish list, which is actually what I titled it for whatever reason to send to him, and he thought that was a good idea. My dad thought adding more information for this paragraph was good, so he commented that to me, and then I added more information, which was really helpful. And I asked him to add more information about the ever-changing technologies, which he did. And so I'm going to do that and delete this. And he added that information. So that's kind of how Docs could be a collaborative tool to use in the classroom.